What is going on, everybody? It is Friday the 21st of August, I believe. I am in town here in Santa Cruz, California. Oh, what a terrible week. I imagine if most of the people watching this are probably from around here, but I suppose in case you aren't, this is Santa Cruz. I live in the mountains, also known as the Santa Cruz Mountains that surround this area. Monday night, 11 p.m., I was evacuated from my house up in the mountains. And I don't know if you can tell through this camera, but through the this haze, this place is on fire. The mountains. I mean, it's heading toward the city, seemingly. I mean, hard for me to believe that it could really make its way into the city, but man, it's traveling. It's running ash for miles through the air and lighting other areas of the forest on fire. My house, if you look at maps, and I don't know how accurate they are or how up to date they really are, but I am teetering on the edge according to those. Who knows what's really going on up there? I haven't been up there today. I went yesterday morning. Didn't have any problem getting up there. Didn't see any fire myself, but it was smoky. Smoky down here too now, as you can see. But who knows? So yeah, my house was still there yesterday. According to the map, it's gotten closer and closer to crossing over that all-important Highway 9, which I have done a video on my CBR. But yeah, a ton of people have lost their homes already. I don't even know what the status of my place is. If you look at the map, it's right on the edge. Supposedly it has not been hit, but that seems a little unbelievable, you know, for how close it is on the map. I'd say I could go either way. I'm hoping for the best, but it's out of control up here. You can't even see the mountains. There were still some people up there last I checked a couple days ago. A few people actually have died, ignoring the evacuation orders, you know, trying to protect their place or whatever. I don't know what their plan is. Hose it down with a garden hose. I don't know. It's crazy. So I don't know. I'm just taking a quick little ride. This is only the second time I've been on the bike since I fell. My last physical therapy appointment was canceled because of air quality, and they were going to cancel this next one, but instead they've, since I'm in town anyway, we've just scheduled it for their other location that's in town, so I can at least continue to do physical therapy. But I feel pretty good about riding. not too bad. I mean, I wouldn't go crazy. I'm not going to take this thing off road or anything, but I had to get out. I've been in the house for days. This is High Street. Road closed ahead. This is the way to UCSC. They've evacuated UCSC, and that is right on the edge of Santa Cruz. It is in the hills, so, you know, I guess you can worry about it and not worry about so much about the city. Turn around here, not bug these guys. They're obviously working away. Yeah, I was on the edge of making this video, and I was on the edge of even riding up here. You know, part of me wants to go up and see where I can get and see what I can see. I know Empire Grade. I've done a video on that. That's wrecked, just wrecked. Jameson Creek and China Grade. I did a video way back. It was like one of my first videos. I think it's called My Backyard. And while it's not technically my backyard, you know, I think you understand that, you know, China Grade is about 4 miles away. That's one of the areas where this particular fire started. And that's 4 miles from my house. The next day I was told it was a mile away. My neighbors, you know, some of them were pretty concerned, others were not so concerned. But the next day, pretty much everybody was concerned. It was a mile away. And now it's just on the other side of the highway. That, you know, the big hope of the firemen, from my understanding, and, you know, what I would assume is that they can hold it back from that highway. But this fire is so out of control that seems like a tough proposition. But like I said, I'm hoping for the best. We're just in a wait and see what happens at this point. So yeah, look at all this smoke. I will end it here. Yeah, what a bummer. I don't even know what to say. What a shame. So I will check in with you guys next time, and hopefully I have better news. Anyways, I'll see you guys next time. Alright. Well, checking back in here, I figured I'd take a little gander down Westcliff. Thought it might be a little more interesting to see than the neighborhood I was riding through. I wasn't sure going up there if I was going to attempt to ride up into the mountains a little bit, but they've got the roads all closed. I'm sure I could get through some way or another, but at the same time, I don't want to impede these guys from doing their job. So since we ended up with just a little run through a neighborhood, thought I'd check in again here. There's the wharf over there. Probably not much time to see that, but cliffs. People still running in the smoke. Not great. Crazy times. There's the lighthouse. What a view! As far as the eye can see. Parking is closed. I was hoping to do a little compare and contrast with the last picture I took over there. That's a bummer. Well, anyways, hopefully that was kind of interesting. Sad times. So, checking out. And yeah, like I said, hopefully I have better news next time.